Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be in the world. This is Manfred and this is my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. And to all my subscribers, I always say God bless you all. Today we are going to do this logo design. Please don't let the lines confuse you. Alright, it's not a difficult logo that we are going to do here. The lines are plenty though, but don't let the lines confuse you. We just go forward and lock it so that we can get free movements. We want to bring in our first vertical line. Select the line tool and we draw it out. Good, that's in place. We select our pick tool and we copy and paste. As you know already, we just copy and paste onto the next line. Sometimes I don't know why sometimes when you are copying, the thing does not want to select. I don't know why. You are not selecting it, that's why. Okay, so we just copy and paste. The last line is covered. Okay, we want to try something new here and see if comparing it to the selection of the line tool to create the lines and this one, which one is going to be best. If it doesn't work out the way I want, I'll go back to my line tool and just create my line. Okay, let me see. Alright. Okay, it's kind of an alternative. Let's see how best we can work with it. Alright, we are going to the next line. From there onto the last line that is covered, and we want to copy and rotate it as we did. And see, okay, I think this thing is cool, but then it's really wasting time. You have to adjust it. The line 2 is kind of simple, and you go. Let's go back to our line 2. So we have selected our line 2. We just want to use our line 2 and go fast on this. Okay, that's done now. Just have it there, just copy and paste and you are gone. Now that you have to rotate it to the line before you can just copy and paste. This is a real simple. Okay, we are copying and we are pasting. In case you want to know the letters that I'm using, the keys that I'm pressing, you just have to look on your right. It is appearing there. Okay, I want this tutorial to be very enjoying and interesting. That's why I went all the extreme to get all these features so that everything can be explained, can be self-explanatory. Right, so we are done here. We select all and we go in to select our fill. We disable our stroke first, go in to select our fill. We are using black for this. Okay, carefully you click and drag over the portions that you want it to be covered. We are doing same. You don't worry about the portion that it cover. We are just concentrating on the portion that we want to select. Afterwards we can just zoom in and just do all the correction. No, this is not what we want to do here. We want to leave a space. We just undo it. Okay, no, this still undo. Okay, we start from here. Okay, carefully just go over the portion that you want. We are still not, we shouldn't go up there. Why am I going up there? No, I have to go back a bit. We start from here. Let's start. Okay, this is where we should end. This is where we should end, and we have to start from here. Okay, that's done. We click and drag, just click and drag over it, just click and drag over it. All right, that's also done. So now we have the portion that is not covered. We just have to go in there, zoom in, we go in there, and we just click all the portion that has not been covered. We just select all, and we just cover the portion that has not been selected. Cover the portion. Okay, go on to the last one. That's done. We don't have anyone left again. So far so good. This is what we have been able to come out with. So this is what we are able to do. Okay, so if you want to just follow suit, just follow whatever that I've done over here. And I want to use this opportunity again to thank all my subscribers. Thank you very much. When I started this, I didn't know we are going to get these likes, this subscribing in, but all the same, thank you very much. We know where we want to be. This is what we have come up with it so far. We have our colors that we want it to be on. If you want any color, you can just select your color and just place it on. Thank you for watching my video. I want to see you in the next video. Alright, so we are done here.